much for joining me today. This is your girl, the official Tiffany Rose. Now, this video is gonna be so awesome for you guys. Now, I will let you know that this is a part 2. So make sure that you go back and watch the part 1 because this is the part 2 on a product review from Back Market. So now just to kind of catch you up, if you're going to watch this video first and go back, but I actually ended up purchasing 2 products from Back Market. I ended up buying an iPad mini that I ordered the iPad mini and the MacBook at the same time. It was about $200 and something. I'll give you guys the details of how much everything was with the taxes. But I ended up buying it on January the 21st, which is a Friday. Today is Tuesday, January the 25th. Now, one thing that I like about Back Market is that they offer free shipping. So there's like different companies that do like refurbished iPads, and then they just kind of ship them out through Back Market. It's like a one-stop shop. So I got the iPad for a really good price. The review that we're going to be doing right now is going to be for the MacBook Air. Now, MacBook Air, just details on it. It is a 11.6 screen inches, and it's a 2012. It did say that it had 4 gigabytes. I don't know exactly what part that's for. And then also said it's 64 gigabytes. I think the 64 gigabytes is for the storage. I don't know. I'm not a computer wizard. So if you know, put it down in the comments. Help a sister out, okay? But I got this one for $189.99. That's a steal. You know, that's cheaper than what I got mine for back in, I don't know exactly when I got it, but I remember when my regular laptop gave out on me, I says, no more regular laptops. I'm going to get me a MacBook, just switch all the way over. So I did. And I have loved it. It's a 2012. It's an older one. The software is still update on it. Like I said, this is going to be my husband's first one. So I'm really excited about it. Trying to get him some American jobs, work at home, like some things just to kind of like really help him sustain outside of his business that he has. You know, my husband is a chef and he has some other ventures that he's doing as well. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with having multiple streams of income. So especially if you can get a job that pays American dollars, goes a long way over there. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So this is the box that it comes in here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. I kind of loosened the tape so that it'll be easier to show you guys, but this is my first time actually opening it. Let's see. Oh, there's some more loosening I need to do here. But yeah, so I'm just so excited about Back Market. So I would probably purchase for them again, just because of the experience that I have had so far. And I would definitely recommend it to others. Now, we'll see how I feel in a few months. So we'll see how everything goes. Okay, so I think that, yes, I'll be able to get it open this time. Okay, so now this is the box that comes in here. Ooh la la, they wanted to make sure that they protected their product. And I'm gonna put it here on my lap. So it comes with this bubble wrap. Now this does look like the authentic Apple cord. Yeah, so this is it here. This is the charger. And then this is the piece that you pop out. And then they have, of course, Apple with the products, you can put like other inputs there. So you can take this one out and put it for whatever country it works for. So that's pretty awesome. Of course, it has a US output there because it is coming from the US. So this one's a lot smaller than what I have, and I do have my MacBook Air right here with me as well. Now this one, of course, not as lucky to get a case with it, but no worries, I went ahead and got him a case, so that should hopefully be here tomorrow. Been tracking it. It looks like it's not even a state of Florida, so I probably won't get it today. But my husband's favorite color, I got him a case for that. So this is it. It's all bubble wrapped and everything. I'm gonna try to slide it through because this is just, this tape is on there. They want to make sure that no one is getting into this. So, let's see. All right. So now it's like Christmas. All right, so let's take a look. It's time to do the examination. So with looking at everything, there's just, you know, a little bit of wear and tear. You see like the scuff marks right there. You know, the pads are a little bit worn, but they're not anything dramatic. I'm looking at the hinges. It look like the hinges, nothing's broken, nothing's cracked there. On the front of the laptop, you know, the few little dings on the edges there. You can barely see it on the camera, but it's actually in really good condition. So I'm really excited about this for him. Now, oh, I guess they gave me a passcode. Oh, look at that. They set up this laptop for me. So I guess because they were sending this in the mail, they want to make sure nobody is hacking into it. But, you know, they still had the password here, so anybody was going to be able to get into this. But it was very nice of them to set up a passcode and to actually put my name there. So I'm so excited. I'm going to go ahead and put in the code and enter. Boom. So we are in. Look how pretty. All right. So, all I have to do is get this puppy updated and get my husband's information all logged in, get him all set up, get him, you know, Word documents, like anything that he may need. I'm going to get him set up, but I'm going to actually close this really quick so you guys can actually see the ports are really good on here too. I'm going to, you know, make sure that all the portings are good. But shout out. Oh no, look at this. They also had a little message for me, you know, just saying thank you. If you need another one, let me know. And they have their number on there and they signed it. But it tells me that, of course, it's a MacBook Air, 12.6 inch, 2016. I wish. 2012. And it's a Core i5, 4 gigabytes, SSD, 64 gigabytes. Now it did say on this piece of paper that it was $198.99, but I actually only ended up paying $189.99, so kind of worked out. And then it just has the appearance information. It says good, light signs of wear, and the body may have scratches, small scuffs, no major cosmetic in there, and it just says thank you, and it has their information on there, so that's really nice. So shout out to them, thank you so much. Now I will give some more details too about my experience when I purchased it online. I will do another video for that of my overall experience with that market. So that will be separate from like the 1 month or the 2 month or 3 month, whatever month I decide to do for the review. But overall, great experience so far. I'm going to show you this one is my MacBook that I have. I'm not taking my case off because it's a pain putting it on and off, but this is my MacBook Air. I have the 13-inch. It is the weight difference. Even with this case, the case doesn't add much weight. It's literally like this one's a little bit heavier than this. So my arm is getting a little bit heavy with mine versus his. His is like so light and petite, like look at that. And then I'm gonna put it on top so that you can see the difference there. And I'm gonna actually line it up on the back. Okay, so that's the difference. So it's, as you can see, a little bit wider, a little bit longer. And like I said, the weight difference is as well. Now mine, as you can see, I have already broken my hinge and I've taken it to Apple and it was like, yeah, we're not gonna be able to update the hinge. And so I'm like, all right, well, hey, I will just keep on using that one until it breaks. So, so yeah, this is what the keyboard looks like, what it looks like in the inside. It looks really, really great. The case that I actually ended up getting my husband, you know, it's his favorite color. So it has the cover. Then also I got the screen protector and then the cover for the keypad. I like the keypad. Some people don't like the cover for the keypad. I like it just because it makes it easier to type than it does with the hard keys on there. So hopefully you likes it. If you likes it, you likes it. If he doesn't, he doesn't. But thank you so much for joining me today. And if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure that you put it down below. I will put all the details. But thank you so much. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.